right. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of m8ca251. This is a 2008 Cadillac Corvette, also known as the XLR. Very beautiful example in some sort of cherry red metallic wine looking color. Andy.
Crystal Claret Tricoat.
Yeah, like I said, red. Very, very nice car though. Right front collision, we got it from a body shop. They did a tear down and couldn't get parts, so she's totaled. Everything you guys see here will be listed for sale. We got a good pair of taillights. The driver's side's got some heavy cracking in it, but if you're looking for a balling on a budget XLR tail, we got you. Yeah, it also likes to lock itself and do XLR things. All right.
Top down and keys.
Top down, chrome spinning.
Remote battery is dead.
Yeah, you gotta hold it on top of it.
You gotta put it in the slot in the glove box.
Oh, I had it running up here. We'll see. We'll see if it likes me, Andy.
It do like me. Hopefully like you.
Just gotta know where to touch her in all the right places.
It's because it knows I blew up its cousin.
Yeah, that's so true. Let's close the door so we can read the miles. Dun 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 dun. Service the lamps, you don't say. Climate control works. Lights up. What was I looking for? Oh yeah. Today, Junior. Heated wheel. We got it. Service the lamps. Just give me the miles, please. And how many miles does this thing have?
53,000.
53,000. Hey, if I'm wrong, this guy said it.
Here, let me show you.
Okay, that was way too easy. All right, let's go ahead and test that convertible top. What's up, Lee? You're on TV, you're on the YouTubes.
Oh my God.
Hey, the top's not working now. Do you got the divider out of the trunk?
No, I do not.
The top don't want to work. That does.
Here, pop the trunk, I'll make 100% sure on that divider. Definitely in there.
All right. There we go.
There it is.
Go, go, gadget. XLR roof. Do, do,
If only
do,
the
do.
Corvettes came with that.
I don't know, man. I think it's kind of like a guillotine.
It's so cool though.
Oh, look at her. Look at it. When the roof goes down, the price goes up, Andy. When it does it automatically, it's double. Look at that. All right. Now we'll watch it do the opposite, just to prove that it works. We go the extra mile here at J&J Auto Wrecking. Testing out the AC at the moment, too.
AC works phenomenally.
It does.
Too bad we don't sell that.
Unless you're a real nice guy. Are we done yet? Nope.
Getting there.
Jiminy Christmas, Batman.
She beats that too when she's done.
At least she lets you know. All right, let's go ahead and test out some more parts. You got a test CD? Oh, they're all copyrighted.
A copyrighted CD.
No, we don't want that. You'll just have to
have a non-copyrighted.
We tested it. Hey, passenger mirror. Just kidding, guys. Full of jokes today.
Mirror's right here. We can plug it in to show that it works.
Oh, you should. Are the wires hanging out?
Yeah. Well, right here.
Look at us. We're like Chris Fix It. Or Tavarish.
Wow, that body shop did not like those clips.
I bet you they knew it was already totaled, Andy.
Probably. But what about our customers that need this mirror? I don't know where that one goes.
That's the antenna.
Oh, and here you go.
All right. All right, folks, you saw it there. We go the extra mile to test that $100 passenger mirror. This one's actually gonna be $120 because it's tested. All right, what do we got left? Beautiful dash bezel here. I did see a few pingers on her. We will be selling that, breaking it down from the console. Lost my train of thought. Test out that transmission. Reverse. Drive. Yeah. Woo! Hey now, you're a rock star. Radio's working. No DVD video. Let's see if there's a map. No map disc. Radio does work though. You guys heard it here. Go ahead and shut that girl down. All right, guys. Oh, she had a easy out on. I was going to wrap up the test video of m8ca251, our 2008 Cadillac XLR in crystal claret red. There it goes again. If you guys look for any of the parts you may have seen in this video here, leave a link in the description down below to our website, www.jandjautorwrecking.com. Would you look at it? All the money is right there. All right, guys, I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. If you've made it this far, you're a trooper. Thanks for watching.